Attach the left side frame to the seat using 3 1 3/4 inch flat tip screws and tighten slightly by hand. For quicker assembly, you can use a drill and 4mm hex bit in place of the provided 4mm T-handle hex key. Repeat this step to attach the right side frame. Place the back piece between the side frames using 2 3-inch screws and 2 1 3/4 inch bolts. Use one 2-inch screw to attach the back piece to the seat. Tighten as shown. Finally, attach the gussets to the bottom of the seat and the inside of the legs using 2 2-inch Phillips screws as shown. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.